Hey there, thanks for joining. My name is Kelly Johnson and I am the creation developer here at MAS Epoxies. Today we are going to make a rainbow river table, and you heard me right, it's going to be rainbow. Our first step is to prime and spray paint our river panel from Sculpted Panels. I'm using a variety of different rainbow spray paints and just randomly getting them on the panel. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's now time to seal in those beautiful colors with some MAS Epoxies Tabletop Pro. This is my go-to system. It has a 30-minute working time, it's super easy to work with since it's a 1-to-1 mix ratio, and it cures relatively quickly, so that means you can get more steps done in a shorter amount of time. So while we're just kind of hanging out and watching me massage epoxy onto this piece, I'm going to tell you a little more about the river panels from Sculpted Panels. Now they're really cool because you don't need to make a mold, there's no assembly required, and you don't need any fancy tools. It is just a ready-to-go, pre-made river table. Alrighty, I think we have the entire surface covered with the epoxy, so now it's time to pop the bubbles and let it cure. Now this step is optional, but I decided to cover my entire river portion of the piece with masking tape. Doing this will protect the river from the next step. It's now time for the Dawn effect. This is going to add such a cool texture. I'm using Dawn Power Wash soap and spraying it all over the piece. I then go on top of that with gold metallic paint. Once I have the whole thing covered, I'm going to spray it down with water and remove all of the excess soap and spray paint, leaving behind this beautiful texture, which we call the Dawn effect. Once the spray paint is dry to the touch, you can take off that soggy, wet tape and make sure that you dry off your piece completely before moving on to the next step. Now that our panel is completely dry, it's time to add MAS Epoxies Deep Pour. I also tinted this with just a little bit of teal mica powder. Now just a reminder, you're gonna wanna make sure that your piece is completely level and try to get that deep pour all the way to the top of the river. Once the deep pour has cured completely, it's time for the last step, which is a beautiful flood coat of MAS Epoxies Tabletop Pro. And just like that, this project is complete. Well, almost, because you definitely want to make sure to take a torch and pop any of those remaining bubbles. But after that, this project is complete. Okay, actually I lied. There's one more step, but I haven't done it yet. I'll be adding some hairpin legs to this piece to make it into a little side table. So that will be coming soon. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this rainbow river table, and if you did like it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, stay creative and happy crafting.